If the Grammarly icon is getting in your way, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the Grammarly icon in a few different ways. You can keep Grammarly installed and running while removing the icon from your Chrome toolbar, hiding the floating widget, or turning it off on specific websites. This is a quick and simple fix, and it only takes a minute once you know where to click. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tips and step-by-step guides just like this one. Let's start with the Chrome toolbar icon. If you want Grammarly to keep working, but you do not want to see the little G icon at the top of your browser, open Chrome and look to the top right corner. Click the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. This opens a list of all your installed extensions. Find Grammarly in that list and you'll see a pin icon next to it. If Grammarly is pinned, it will appear directly on your browser toolbar. To hide it, click the pin icon to unpin it. Once you do that, the Grammarly icon moves out of the main toolbar and stays inside the extensions menu instead. Grammarly is still active, but it is no longer taking up space in your top browser bar. Now let's say the green floating Grammarly widget is the part that's distracting you while you type. This floating G can appear in apps like Google Docs and can be annoying if you want a cleaner workspace. To hide it temporarily in Google Docs, open your document and click the floating Grammarly icon. A panel will open, and inside that panel, look for the power button or an on and off toggle. Select Turn off Grammarly in Google Docs. That will disable the floating widget for that document environment, so you can continue typing without the icon on screen. If you do not want Grammarly showing up on a certain website at all, you can also disable it for specific sites. This is useful if you're working in a dashboard, a content editor, a form, or any website where you don't want the extension popping up. First, go to the website where you want to hide it. Then click the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar. In the settings or status panel, look for the option that says check grammar and spelling on this website. Toggle that switch to off. Once it's off, Grammarly will stop appearing on that specific site, while still staying available everywhere else. So to recap, if you want to hide Grammarly, you can unpin it from the Chrome toolbar, turn off the floating widget in Google Docs, or disable it for a specific website. Each method gives you a different level of control, depending on how much of Grammarly you want to keep visible. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, browser tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.